How are you able to better help people as a financial coach versus a financial planner?
A financial advisor. As an advisor, I wore the hat of advising on how to invest the funds. Our firm looked at tax strategies. We looked at tax planning with the CPA involved. We had portfolios and models that we invested in and whatnot, and did a lot of the rebalancing and did a lot of the mechanics of the money. There wasn't really the education piece that I wanted. So as a coach, there's a couple things at play here. One, a coach, and the definition of a coach is about working today, moving forward. Okay, so we take our current situation and we help you to get from point A to point B and progress to where you want to be. In a financial coach position, you are wearing the hat of financial educator, which is, helping you understand, the various funds. What do you do with your funds? What do you, what is diversification? How to best, put your money wherever you want to put it. That's just from the investing side. So that the conversation of education really wasn't at play as a financial advisor. There was a little bit of that, but most people who come, well, no, I shouldn't say that, because there were clients that didn't have that necessarily comfort level, and they just wanted the advisor to take care of everything. But as a financial coach, I'm more of an educator. There's a lot of life coaching intertwined with that, which is the behavioral side of money, why we do what we do with money, the mindset of our money, and how we're programmed and what we do. There's a lot of information on that in my program, because that's one of the foundational pieces of where we are today in life, whether it's financial or otherwise. It's what's going on, in our subconscious mind that's playing. It's a, broken tape recorder that we've got to reprogram.
Right. So you can help people from a much broader approach, as opposed from just the financial planning phase. You can handle them from, again, a broader approach, handling the emotional, the psychological, and everything else that goes into that, besides just the financial literacy part.
Yes, absolutely.